toilet paper or wipes? This is something that is like Glock versus 1911, or AR-15 versus AK-47, or Chevy versus Ford. It's like it divides everybody, because some people are adamant about the toilet paper is the number one that you need to have in your pack, and some others are saying, no, dish that crap and get wipes. All right, I'm in the second category. I will say this: I have used toilet paper in the field, and unfortunately, yeah, things did not end well in one occasion, and after that, I put it away. I was like, there's no point. So funny thing is, and this is going to be two categories, because you have to understand that man has need for toilet paper, women have also need for toilet paper. So I want to address that to begin with, and I'm just gonna say whatever I'm gonna say and screw it. So guys, you're just gonna wipe your ass with toilet paper. Girls, you're not only gonna wipe your ass, but you're gonna dry yourself with toilet paper. So just bear that in mind. So for girls, I think both will be beneficial. For guys, you don't need both. All right, so I don't know. Sometimes there's this type of videos are a little bit on like, should I say this? Should I not say that? But you guys are here because you guys know that I say what I want, and screw it. Let the algorithm destroy everything if it wants to. So, bad experience in Florida. Really bad experience. I was in the Everglades hunting, and it was August. Archery season. Yes, archery season in the middle of August. Horrible. Mosquitoes, gnats, snakes all around you. You don't know where a gator is going to pop out, because I don't know if you haven't been there, but suckers go everywhere. And of course, you're sweating. Well, I had a dicey lunch. And I had the shits. Well, if you know anything about that, you know that you're gonna be using a lot of toilet paper. Guys, sweats, gnats, mosquitoes, you squatting, and whatever you can. And then having diarrhea. I don't think toilet paper is your friend. It was not my friend. So, bear that in mind. So, usually what people do, and I hope if they still carry toilet paper, they do it just vacuum seal them. This is a regular roll of toilet paper, and I weighed both of them. I had the pictures on my phone. I took the pictures before. And the toilet paper weighs about 3 ounces. And for those of you who are skeptic, they took it today. They stamp on everything. So 3 ounces for the toilet paper, and 3.9 for the wipes. Again, I have, and I'm not gonna put it in here. I'm just gonna go with the video. Screw it. If you guys don't believe me, I don't care. Anyways, I weigh both of them, the toilet paper and the wipes, and this is a pack of wipes that I'm referring to. This is 18 wipes. That's it. Since then, I switched to baby wipes. So I put this away. All right, so this is lighter. This is thinner. It's an ounce difference. Let's be honest here. or less than an ounce difference. So I put away my toilet paper. And I don't know about you all, but sometimes when you eating freeze-dried food or, you know, whatever you can get your hands on, or sometimes you kill something and you eating it and didn't sit well because, you know, you out there, you know, you're moving a lot more than usual. You're just sweating more, exercising more. Well, you're going to get the shit. Shit happens. That's the truth. Happen again. Everglades. This time around was not in summertime. It was not. And this time around was in the Kissimmee area. I did not have an issue with wipes. So that worked out really well. Still the runs and all of that shit. You probably guys think, man, Billy, why are you talking about diarrhea? Because shit happens. And people are not willing to give you truthfulness of what happens in the field. It happens. So, moving on, I was hunting yet again the following year in the Everglades. Summertime. Yeah. It happened again. It definitely happened again, but this time around I did not have toilet paper. I had wipes. I did not have shit on my hands or anything like that. Yeah, that was good. So everything was okay. Now, like the other time with toilet paper, that yeah. So here's the thing: Shtf, toilet paper or wipes. You do whatever you want. But it had been my experience. Oh, by the way, for those of you who are going to ask, hey, Bailey, but what about Cuba? Well, in Cuba, we did not have toilet paper, nor we had baby wipes. We had newspapers. And what we did is we got newspaper, we folded it in little things, and we just put it in a sag. And we carry a sag. I mean, whatever we can carry. Or sometimes we have packs or whatever we can carry. And you get to the woods and you just grab the newspaper, and that's how you wipe your ass. And if you couldn't, make sure that you don't get a leaf that is it's gonna give you some itchy butt. Make sure that you know your leaves, and make sure that those leaves do not have caterpillars on it. Yeah, or grass, or getting vented. And that's why people get freaking worms over there, because of that. Anyways, going back to the US, because we are in the US and you have options: toilet paper, baby wipes. Now there's a third option. There's the toilet tablets. I have not physically tested them in the field. I have been a bit reluctant to, at the moment, I need to start pouring water, and I had some, and I have used them in the campsite and whatnot, and they work fine in the camp. But in the field, to wipe my ass with, I not tested it. So I'm not gonna give you oh sure, you get it, because I feel that wasting water on a tablet to hydrate the tablet and then wipe my ass with it made no sense when I just have wipes and that's it. That's the way I saw it. So that's the third option. You can do whatever you want with it. I use it in the campsite, to wash my hands or whatnot, but I have, like canal water and float it over there, and, just I dip it in there and I wash my hands with it. So take it for what it's worth. No, I was not going to be taking a shit right next to the canal with fucking alligators trying to bite my ass off. Not going to happen. God almighty. Things that I have to say for people to understand. Anyways, SHTF. You planning to put a crap load of toilet paper away? Toilet paper, when you look at it, they are really, really bulky. Really bulky. versus wipes. Billy, but toilet paper will never go bad. Listen, guys, I had left packs of wipes outside. In fact, the ones that we have on inside our ATVs right now are the same ones that I had last year. Well, halfway through last year, open, and we just close them. I mean, we have the bigger packs, like this ones, So you just open. This is the ones that you get at Costco. We have it in the back of the ATVs and the containers in the back, and we left it there all winter long. And when we use them in the summertime, it was perfectly fine. So the idea of like, oh my god, because they're going to dry, I don't know. Maybe you had a different experience. If you leave it open, absolutely. If you have it closed, I haven't had that issue. And I have been closed, open like this, ready to pull out. So if it's sealed completely, I had never had an issue. And I had boxes left outside during winter. They freeze, of course, and when we bring it inside to use them, we let it thaw out, and that's it. So you can stock a lot more. Plus, let me tell you something. You want something that a functions and different, that gives you different functionalities. All you can do with toilet paper is either wipe your ass, or for girls, keep your hoo-ha dry. The wipes, well, you clean your ass with it. You can wash your hands. You can clean yourself completely, your body. More uses. So you tell me, what you rather stock away? Something that it has multiple uses, or just clean ass and wipe hoo-has? I'm saying hoo-has because I don't want to say something else. Anyways. All right, so that is my take on the whole toilet paper or wipes. Shtf or in the field, guys. Take my word for it. For the love of God, take my word for it. Unless you are a woman and you need to keep yourself dry, if you're just gonna take it for wiping your ass, bring baby wipes. If you're a girl, use both. That's it. That's all I'm gonna say. If you're a girl and you want to share what you do, put it down in the comment section below. If you're a guy and you want to share what you do, put it down in the comment section below. Does it weigh a lot? It does not. Does it function? Well, I have had bad experience with it. I share it with y'all. If you have had bad experience, share it if you want to. If not, it's fine. I'm just going to say that this is it for me because I know it works. I'm just saying. If you don't want to get your hands dirty, I leave it up to you what you use. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. God bless you all, and I hope to see you in the next one.